Hi friends, welcome to the topic percentages. We already shooted an introduction video for percentages which is available in the description itself. Please watch that video first and come back to this video. Here we go, first problem. After giving a discount of 20% on a market price of a book, he purchased it a pen worth of 80 rupees. How much did he pay for the book? So the question states that after giving 20% of discount, he purchased a pen worth of 80 rupees. So it is clear that 20% is equals to 80 rupees. It multiplied with 4 on the top level. Then what about the remaining 80%? The multiplier which was used here must have to be used here also. So multiply with 4. 4 8s are 32. So here it is percentage, right? So it's became 320. So totally how much did he paid for the book means 320. If they ask the question what is the total cost of the book means it is 400. We have to put both values. Here the second one. A merchant marks his good 20% above the selling price. Again he allows 30% of discount on market price. Then percentage that he gain or loss. From the question it is clear that a merchant has definitely lost, since he marked his good 20% above and again he allows 30% of the discount. On the other hand, there is no detail of pricing of the particular good. In this kind of cases, just follow this simple technique. Here it follows. A merchant marks his good 20% above the selling price means selling price is always 100% and 20% is extra. That 100 plus 20 is equals to 120 here. Again he allows 30% of discount on market price. There is no detail of market price, so I have to consider 100 itself. 100 minus 30% is equals to 70 divided by the selling price of the particular good. Okay, by doing cancellation we got 12 7s are 84. Then the final output is 84. This output should have to be subtracted from the 100% value. Okay, 84 minus 100 is equals to minus 16. So the merchant has got a loss of minus 16. That means 16 rupees. If he got positive value, he gains. Here the third one. A person purchases certain number of pens at a price of 11 pence for 10 rupees. Okay, and sells them at a rate of 10 pence for 11 rupees. What is the percentage that he gain or loss? From the question it is very clear that the person had definitely got gain, since he left one pen with him and sell all other pens at the higher cost for the price what he purchased. Okay, this kind of questions just follow this simple technique. 11 pence 10 rupees, 10 pence 11 rupees. I just done only the cross multiply here. That is the logic in this type of questions. 11 11s are 121 minus 10 10s are 100. If you do subtraction we got 21. So the person that he gains is 21 rupees. Here the fourth problem. A person sells 2 cycles for 200 each. That means 2 cycles cost is 2400. On one cycle he gains 20%, on the other cycle he loses 20%. How much percent that he gain or loss? From the second line it is very clear that he gains 20 and he loses 20. So there is no unchange. Let's check out how to solve this kind of problems. Okay, following the second line, here it goes. He gains 20% means 100% of selling price plus 20% extra. That means 120 divided by 100 into 1200 plus on the second cycle he loses 20%. So selling price of 100 minus 20% is 80 divided by total selling price 100 into 1200. Okay, by doing small calculation we got these two values. By adding both of these we got 2400 only. So there is no unchange. The person did not lose or gain. But you please change the percentage of loss into 10% and let's find out the answer. Here the fifth one. A student has to get 35% of marks to pass in an examination, but Ramu got 135 marks and failed by 5 marks. Find the maximum marks, that means total marks. Okay, in most of the percentage type of problems there is a logic in the question itself. Let's find out how it is. Ramu got 135 marks and failed by 5 marks, means if you add this 5 marks to 135, it becomes 140. This 140 is equals to 35% marks. That is what I done here. This 35% is goes to gives rise to 140. It multiplied with 4. As I said earlier, the multiplier which was used for the above must have to be used here also. Okay, why 100 means to find the maximum marks. Okay, then 100% into 4 is equals to 400 marks. So this is the maximum marks that they are going to conduct for the total exam. Here the last problem. A candidate got 45% of votes and he loses by 675 votes. How many votes were polled? From the question I am representing this formula, that is A plus B is equals to 100%. Okay, candidate A got 45%, so 45% votes, then the remaining balance is 55%, that is equals to 100%. Okay, if you observe it, there is a difference of 10%. That 10% is nothing but his loss. So 10% is 675. Then what about 100%? It is clear that 6,750. So the total votes were polled by 6,750. See you on the next video section, friends. Catch you there. Bye bye.